Mozo. Mozo. You got the hiccups? Do you know how hiccups go away? How?
Because and he cussed me.
What?
He cussed me.
Who talks to you?
Irving.
Irvin? How does hiccups go away?
Because my dog is named Big Hiccups.
Huh?
My dog did have big hiccups. He said that his dog has hiccups.
Your dog has hiccups? And he gave it to you? Oh my word. And how does it go away?
I know.
You don't know? Your dog gave you hiccups. Alright, you want to say bye to your friends?
Yeah.
Say bye to your friends.
Bye.